Alright, cool. We're live. So we're going to go through both quizzes, right? 16 and 17?
Yes.
Yeah.
So is there a way to do that when we're posting that on the group collaboration? Is there a way to just say we did both, or do we have to?
I'll just post the same URL to both.
Okay.
Because I don't think he really watches them, but I just figured that'd be easier than having to stop a video and then start another one. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Oh, also, so I emailed him last night, and he emailed me back this morning and said that he'd go in and change those grades. So.
Okay.
Should be happening soon.
Yeah, no, you're totally fine. I was just like getting on and something said 0. I was like, I don't ever get zeros. What did we do?
Yeah.
So you're totally cool. It happens, so. Okay, so for number 2 for lesson 16, or I guess 3, I got the third one for the pie chart. It says each slice represents a category and the areas of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Yep, me too.
That's what I got.
Okay, cool.
And then for 4, I got the third one. The only difference between pie chart and Pareto chart is that the Pareto chart orders the largest to smallest, going from left to right.
That's what I got.
Me too.
For 5, I put that it's the true proportion.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
You guys said true proportion?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I got.
And then for 6, I put sample size.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Me too. For number 7, I got 40.
Yep, me too.
That's what I got.
And for 8, I got 0.4, and for 9, I got 0.1.
That's what I got.
So for 8, you got 0.4, and 9, you got 0.1.
Yep.
Okay. Me too. For number 10, I got 0.35.
Yep, me too. And then for 11, I got 0.046.
Me too.
Yeah.
For 12, I got 1.091.
Me too.
Yeah.
Hold on. So, sorry. To go back to the, you know how you said you emailed him? Will he just give us all credit, or do we need to go back in and be able to say that, like, we attended that meeting like we usually do, or is he just covering, like, all of it?
Let's see. Nope, he said it's no problem, because I in the email I said we were all there, and he said it's no problem, I'll go in and change it. There really isn't a time limit to how soon you need to post your URL. I'm just obligated to leave a score for assignments.
Okay.
So he said I don't even consider it late when you inform me after the fact. So he'll just go in and change it.
Well, that's really nice of him.
Yeah.
And
okay,
did we get...
Go ahead.
Oh, did we do 13 yet, or are we on 14?
No, we haven't done.
Yeah, we're on 13. I got 0.138.
Me too. And 14, I got 0.011.
Yeah.
Me too. And for 15, I got negative 1.79.
Yeah.
Cool.
And for 16...
So what did you say for that one?
For 15, I got negative 1.79.
Okay. I heard something different, so I was like, wait.
And for 16, I got 0.035.
I got 0.037.
I'm pretty sure you're fine, because remember last time?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Slightly off.
Yeah, because I submitted it and it accepted my answer, so...
Yeah, it took mine too. It was the one I didn't write down, but there was something in the probability applet, so...
Okay.
That's probably why I didn't write it down.
We switch over to lesson 17.
Yep.
So for question 3, I got just P.
Yep, me too. And then for 4 and 5, I put that they were both true.
I got that too.
Okay, for 6, I put 0.75.
Cool. For 7, I got 0.11.
Yep, me too.
And for question 8, for the lower bound, I got 0.64. And 9, for the upper bound, I got 0.86.
Yep, me too. For 10, I put decrease.
Yep.
And for 11, I got 20.
That's what I got too.
Let's see, for 12, I got 100.
Me too.
Cool.
For 13, I got true.
Me too.
For 14, I got P with a little arrow. Is 0.475.
Yep, me too. Okay, now I missed number 15.
Okay.
What did y'all get?
So for 15, I got negative 2.282.
That's why I missed it. I put positive. I dropped my negatives down.
Yeah, when I did it the first time, I got 16 through 18, like, wrong. But that was because I had a weird calculation. So that one's just kind of tricky because there's all those, like, numbers you have to plug in. And they're like, there's only 3, but still, if you plug it in wrong in your calculator, you're kind of screwed.
Yep, and that's what I did. So yeah, I missed 15 through 18 because I got my p-value as like 0.988 or something. I was like, holy crap, that's huge. And that makes way more sense because it's probably something like 0.02 or something.
So you got 16, 17, 18 wrong then?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, so that happened to me too. And so I ended up failing to reject the null, but it's really reject the null because our p-value is 0.011. And so, like, because you got 15 wrong, I mean, you can assume that everything else is wrong.
Right.
But for 18, it's saying that we do have sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality is the area that has decreased.
Cool.
Yeah, I did the same thing. It was awful. I was like, how did I miss 4?
Yeah, I was like, holy crap, I did so bad. And then I looked and I'm like, oh, I messed up that one and it messed up the rest. So.
How'd you do, Megan?
Well, I haven't submitted it the first time. I just go and answer them. I don't submit it. I don't know if I did submit it this time, but I missed one of them. Where is it?
Which one?
Number 8.
Okay.
I used to not submit them, but I started doing it just so like I could figure out what I did wrong, and if I couldn't figure it out, that's when I could like ask you guys. Because it sucks if like we're all here like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I try to figure it out as best as I can, but like it's fine if you don't submit it or anything. So for the lower bound.
For the lower bound, you just take p hat and you minus the margin of error that you got in question 7. That's how you get the lower bound.
Oh, I see why I messed up. I added a number. My bad.
Yeah, I was like, if you got 9 right, you probably most likely just missed.
Yeah, I don't know. I had like a 1 at the end. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, cool. And how'd you guys do on the test and everything?
I did okay. I didn't do as well as I wanted to. I think I ended up getting like an 87 or something. But
yeah,
I would have liked to have done better. But I guess he said the class average was like 70 or below. So.
I knew what I was doing, but my SPSS was like messing up for some reason. Like it gave me an answer, but the answer was like I knew wasn't right. So I had to do all my calculations like the best I could, but yeah, so my SPSS hasn't been working, so I have to have that looked at because I don't know what happened.
Hmm.
I like freaked out because you know that email that was sent out a couple days ago or before,
Yeah.
and it was like, oh, iLearn's gonna be down. Well, I started working on it around like 9 and finished around like 11:10 or something. I don't remember. But when I submitted it, it was like maintenance is happening, and I was like, what the crap? I have like 2 hours left to submit this, and I can't because iLearn's down until like 5 a.m. So I like emailed him, and it ended up like showing up late, but I think that's why he extended it for that reason. But I was like freaking out because like I hope it saved everything. I hope like.
Yeah. That's always sketchy.
I was like, I like completely spaced, and I was like, if I would have just submitted this 10 minutes ago, I would have been fine. But cool. And then you guys haven't heard anything from the TA, have you?
Uh-uh.
I haven't.
That's like super weird how he was like saying that they would like attend our meetings, but they haven't once like contacted us, which is fine by me, but I'm like wondering if they just have skipped over us or if it hasn't even happened yet.
Yeah, I don't know. I assume that what we're doing is okay because we're getting good scores on like our group collaboration stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm not super worried about it. I'm sure she'll get with us.
That's cool. Okay. We zipped through that. It's only been like 15 minutes. That's good. Cool. Do you guys have any questions or concerns?
I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
So I'm going to be away from my computer most of Friday, but if you guys need help or, you know, one of you needs help, I'll be around Saturday.
Okay.
So, alrighty.
Awesome.
Well, guys,
Thanks
have a good weekend.
You too.
You too.
See ya.
Bye.